This is an unboxing video, manufacturer number 90622, made by Streamlight. It's your Knucklehead light. I'm going to open it up so you can get a closer look. Here we have a brochure of additional Streamlight products, operating instructions, Allen wrench, your 4 screws for your wall mount. This one's in yellow. Your on-off switch is here. It does rotate all the way around. Your batteries go in the bottom here, just the metal thing. Open it up. Magnetic. This is your battery case. You have your wall mount. It does say Streamlight down in here. And then your cord to your charger. And that is everything in the box.